This is Steve from the Celtic Farm with another informational growing guide. Have you ever wondered how to grow your own sunflowers? These blooms brighten our gardens and bring joy to our hearts. Today we explore journey of growing sunflowers from seed to full bloom. Sunflowers, Helianthus annuus, belong to the Asteraceae family. Originating from North America, these annual plants are distinguished by their large daisy-like flowers and tall, robust stems. Did you know sunflowers have been cultivated for over 3,000 years? Native Americans used these versatile plants for food, oil, and ceremonial purposes. They certainly recognize the value of these sunny blooms. There are several popular cultivars you might consider for your garden. The giant Russian is known for its impressive height. The lemon queen boasts a pale yellow hue. Autumn beauty offers a mix of warm tones. Moulin Rouge impresses with its deep red color, and Teddy Bear charms with its fluffy, rounded petals. Finding sunflower seeds is quite simple. Local garden centers, nurseries, and online suppliers offer a wide selection. Just make sure you choose varieties that suit your growing conditions. Sunflowers are hardy plants that thrive in USDA hardiness zones 1 through 11. They love full sun and well-drained soil with a moderate amount of moisture. When it comes to planting and care, sunflowers are relatively easy to manage. Prepare your soil, plant the seeds at the right depth and spacing, water appropriately, and provide support as the plants grow. Harvesting sunflower seeds is a rewarding task. Wait until the flower heads turn brown, then collect the seeds. Regularly remove spent flowers to encourage more blooms and keep your plants healthy. While sunflowers are generally robust, they can be affected by pests like aphids and caterpillars, as well as fungal diseases. Keep a close eye on your plants and treat any issues promptly. The benefits of growing sunflowers are manifold. They add a splash of color to your garden. Their seeds are a tasty snack, and they make stunning cut flowers for your home. In conclusion, sunflowers are a radiant addition to any garden. They offer beauty, utility, and ecological benefits, making them a delight to grow. So why not try growing some sunflowers this season? It's time to cultivate your own sunshine. Happy gardening.